The debugging of sawtooth jig. The first step of installation of the jig is to connect the signal line of the governor and the power line of the motor according to the manual. After the motor power is turned on, the running speed of the jig is controlled by the governor. After the machine is normally turned on, open the makeup water valve and control the discharging size of the concentrate pipe valve. After the above work is completed, the feeding can be started. Control the makeup water volume and water pressure by checking the layering effect, and adjust the jigging speed off to achieve the best concentration effect. Before stop the machine, the feeding must be stopped in advance. The recoil water should be turned off in turn, then the governor should be turned off, and finally the power supply should be turned off. If you have any problems during the installation and also use this machine, please contact us freely.